Welcome back to CoinZF, the place where hidden treasures in your pocket come to life, where every coin tells a story, and where one small piece of metal could quietly hold a value that surprises even the most experienced collectors. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF because what you are about to hear today might change the way you look at your everyday coins forever. Today we are diving into a coin that many people have seen, many have ignored, and some have unknowingly spent without a second thought. The 1964 Lincoln Memorial Penny. At first glance, it looks ordinary. It feels familiar. It seems like just another old coin sitting in a drawer, a jar, or maybe even lost between sofa cushions. But what if I told you that certain versions of this coin have caught the attention of serious collectors, and under the right conditions, they can command impressive value? Now imagine this. You're sitting at home, maybe going through an old box of coins passed down from your father or grandfather. You pick up a penny, slightly worn, copper shining faintly under the light. You turn it over and notice the date, 1964, and a small letter D under it. At that moment, you might not realize it, but you could be holding a coin that has traveled through decades of history. The year 1964 was not just any year. It was a time of change, a time when economies were shifting and currencies were evolving. In the United States, coins were still being made with higher copper content before major changes came later. That makes coins from this era especially interesting for collectors who value both history and metal composition. The D Mint mark on this coin tells us that it was produced in Denver. The Denver Mint was known for producing large quantities of coins, but within those large numbers, there were always small variations, small differences that today make a huge impact on value. Not every coin is equal, even if they look the same to the untrained eye. Now here's where things start to get interesting. Most 1964 Lincoln Memorial pennies are common. Yes, that is true. But within that common pool, there are rare conditions, mint errors, and exceptional preservation states that can transform an ordinary coin into something collectors are willing to pay serious money for. Let's talk about condition. Condition is everything in coin collecting. A coin that has been circulated for years, scratched, worn down, and faded will always have a lower value. But a coin that has been preserved, maybe stored carefully, maybe never even used in daily transactions, that coin becomes special. Collectors call this uncirculated or mint state condition. Picture a coin that looks almost brand new, even though it was made over 60 years ago. The edges are sharp, the details are clear, and the shine is still visible. That is the kind of coin collectors chase. That is the kind of coin that can make a real difference in value. Now, let us go deeper. Some 1964 pennies have subtle, minting errors. These errors are not always obvious. Sometimes there are tiny differences in the lettering. Sometimes they appear as doubling in the design. Sometimes the metal was not struck perfectly, leaving behind unique marks that no other coin has. These imperfections, ironically, are what make a coin perfect in the eyes of a collector. Think about that for a moment. A mistake made in a mint decades ago can turn into a valuable feature today. That is the beauty of coin collecting. It is not just about perfection. It is about uniqueness. It is about history captured in metal. Now imagine a collector examining your coin under a magnifying glass. They're not just looking at it casually. They're studying every detail, the texture, the shine, the edges, the alignment. They are asking questions. Is this coin rare? Is it preserved well? Does it have a unique characteristic? And if the answer to those questions is yes, then suddenly that coin becomes more than just a penny. For many people between the ages of 55 to 65 and beyond, coins like this bring back memories. They remember a time when pennies had more weight, more presence, more meaning. Back then, a penny could actually buy something. It was part of daily life, part of small transactions, part of childhood experiences. That emotional connection adds another layer to coin collecting. It is not just about money. It is about memories. It is about holding a piece of the past in your hand. And when that piece of the past also has potential value, it becomes even more exciting. Now let me tell you something important. Not every 1964 penny will make you rich. That is the truth. But the possibility, the chance, the excitement of discovering one that stands out, that is what keeps collectors searching. That is what makes this hobby so engaging. You might be wondering, how do I know if my coin is special? The answer lies in observation and patience. Look closely at the coin. Check the date. Confirm the D-mint mark. Examine the surface. Is it smooth or worn? Are the details clear? Do you notice anything unusual? Sometimes the smallest detail can make the biggest difference. A slight doubling of letters, a tiny misalignment, a unique shine, these are the things that experts look for. And these are the things that can turn a simple coin into a valuable collectible. Now imagine finding one of these coins in excellent condition. Imagine realizing that something you almost ignored is actually worth far more than its face value. That moment of discovery is what makes coin collecting so rewarding. And it does not stop there. Once you start paying attention to coins, you begin to see them differently. Every coin becomes a question. Every coin becomes a possibility. You start checking dates, mint marks, and conditions. You start learning. And before you know it, you are part of a world where history, art, and value come together. The 1964 D Lincoln Memorial penny is a perfect example of this journey. It starts as something ordinary, something overlooked, but with the right knowledge and attention, it transforms into something meaningful. Now think about your own collection, or even the coins lying around your home. How many of them have you truly examined? How many of them could hold a story, a rarity, or even a surprising value? This is your moment to start looking closer, to start paying attention, to start seeing coins not just as money, but as pieces of history waiting to be discovered. And remember, the world of coin collecting is not just for experts. It is for anyone who is curious, anyone who is willing to learn, anyone who enjoys the thrill of discovery. Whether you are just starting or have been collecting for years, there is always something new to find. So take a moment today. Pick up a coin. Look at it carefully. Ask yourself what it might be worth, what story it might tell, and what secrets it might hold. Because sometimes the smallest things carry the greatest surprises. And as we come to the end of today's journey, here is something that might stay with you. Certain high-quality, rare-condition examples of the 1964 D Lincoln Memorial penny have been known to reach values around $4,311 in the collector market, depending on condition, rarity, and unique features. That is the kind of possibility that makes this hobby truly exciting. If you enjoyed this, make sure you stay connected with CoinZF, because every coin has a story, and your next discovery could be closer than you think.